It's Joe from Emerald City Orchids, and we are so excited to be at the Boise Flower Garden Show. We think all of you guys should come down because we brought a whole bunch of stuff. We're only coming here one time this year, and we brought an immense inventory of rare exotic plants. There's a lot of wonderful people here too. We love coming out to Boise because we meet the most wonderful folks here. People ask really intelligent plant questions. There's a lot of community around plants at the Boise Flower Garden Show that we enjoy. We're getting along very well with all of our neighboring vendors. The people who run the show are fantastic. The city of Boise is fantastic. We think you should come out to the Boise Flower Garden Show just to check it out and see all the weird, rare, and wonderful plants.
I think the Boise Flower Garden Show is awesome because there's so much to look at. There's so many things to do. You get to see what's trending, all of that cool stuff. It's really awesome. For our booth, we try to keep up with the trends, so whatever we see is popular, we incorporate into it. This year we have a lot of indoor plants. Also a lot of outdoor decor has been really popular, so that's what we have a lot of, and it's been doing pretty good.
You know, the Boise Flower Garden Show is this awesome event where lots of people come and you can get inspiration for lots of your ideas. So if you're looking for a change in your backyard, you're wanting a new plant in the front, you're looking for ideas, there's lots of vendors here that have experience in lots of different things, from decks to patio furniture to landscaping to nurseries. Lots of ideas and opportunities for people to come and get inspiration. One of my favorites, of course, is ideas for landscaping. There's some waterfalls and some fountains, just different plant material brought in from different areas. So it's really a neat time to come and just get ideas. So we decided to participate this year because we wanted to be seen a little bit more. We do a lot of custom work. We decided this year to make ourselves a little bit more known, and we see the Boise Flower and Garden Show as an opportunity to really be seen because there's so many people that are attending.
So people should come out to the Boise Flower Garden Show this weekend because look at all these beautiful people out here celebrating our community. We've got so many wonderful local vendors here, so we can just celebrate each other's products and successes here at the garden show with our whole community today. Zamsos loves the Flower and Garden Show for about 1 million different reasons. Obviously, plants are our bread and butter. We love that. We're all plant people at heart, so being out here is a huge deal for us. We're also sponsors, so we want to have a nice presence out here for you guys, and we want to say hi to all our neighbors. Everybody is out here enjoying the beautiful weather and the sunshine and getting ready for spring, and we just love to be here every year.
Yeah, people should come out to the Boise Flower and Garden Show this year to learn about amazing bonsai. We've got tons of them on display, some very ancient trees, some very cool and unique trees. If you've ever had a desire to learn on how to do bonsai, how to be successful with bonsai, or just want to see some amazing bonsai here, please come down and check us out.